Sherco has once again pushed the limits of design and performance with the 2025 Sherco 50 SM-R BLACKMOON. This supermoto-inspired machine boasts a sleek blacked-out aesthetic, giving it an aggressive presence on the streets. From its sharp bodywork to the high-quality components, the BLACKMOON edition is designed to stand out. Performance-focused engineering. Underneath its striking exterior, the 50 SM-R BLACKMOON packs a punch with its liquid-cooled, two-stroke 50cc engine. Designed for both urban agility and thrilling rides, it delivers impressive power while maintaining efficiency. The lightweight chassis ensures sharp handling, making it perfect for tight corners and quick acceleration. Premium components. Sherco has equipped this model with high-end parts, including an aluminum swingarm, USD front forks, and a powerful braking system for superior control. The 17-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires provide excellent grip, enhancing stability on various road conditions. A ride like no other. The Sherco 50 SM-R BLACKMOON is more than just a 50cc supermoto, it's a statement. Whether you're a beginner looking for an exciting entry into the world of motorcycles or a seasoned rider craving a stylish commuter, this bike delivers. Final thoughts. With its bold looks, premium components, and Sherco's signature performance, the 2025 Sherco 50 SM-R BLACKMOON is a standout in its class. Would you take it for a ride? Let us know in the comments.